Welcome this video outdoor wall shower idea. Enhance your outdoor space and outdoor wall shower is a style and functionally add to any backyard, poolside or beach house. It's provide canvas promoting seamless and enhance the overall aesthetic of any outdoor space. Whether you are look for a minimalist design or a lush like enhance, there are various outdoor wall shower idea to sub different perfect and budget. We explored some of the best outdoor wall shower idea to help you create a perfect outdoor bench space. Rustic wood wall shower. For those who love a nature and beauty earth, aesthetic, rustic wood wall shower is an excellent choice. Use reclaim wood or retreat plants to convince a double and various appear. Show valve. It's with a simple stained light shower hard and minimizes flexibility to enhance the rustic appear. To complete the look, consider add stone, fall or posing to create their natural system. Modern minimalist shower. A modern minimalist outdoor shower traditional clean line and sleep design and natural color for a smoke convex and trellis valve access to contemporary look. Choose a wall moment rain shower hard and